Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quesadilla pizza. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need tortillas, cheese, your preferred sauce, and any toppings you love. Next, preheat a non-stick pan to a medium heat setting. This ensures your quesadilla pizza cooks evenly and gets that perfect golden crust. Finally, chop all your toppings into small, manageable pieces for easy layering. Now, let's assemble your delicious pizzadilla. Lay one tortilla flat in your preheated pan. Spread a thin, even layer of your chosen sauce across the tortilla. Then, generously sprinkle cheese over the sauce, making sure to leave a small border. Add your favorite toppings, distributing them evenly. Finally, gently place a second tortilla directly on top to complete the sandwich. Quick recommendation: standing in the kitchen making delicious food can be tough on your feet, so you need comfortable socks. Life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. You can find the link for darn tough socks and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. It's time to cook your quesadilla pizza to perfection. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, until the bottom tortilla turns a beautiful golden brown. Then, using a wide spatula, carefully flip the entire quesadilla pizza over. Cook the second side for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted and wonderfully bubbly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.